There you go. There's another picture.
And there he is. Mavic Mini.
249 grams. Here's the drone.
Yeah! Oh my god, so little. Look at that.
Very light. It opens
Yup.
up.
Wow, look like a toy. Lying down there. Look at that. Wow, it's bigger the iPhone little bit. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we unboxing Mavic Mini drone. Yeah, you have a drone.
There you go. There's another picture.
And there he is.
249 grams. It's 30-minute max flight time, 4K HD video transmission, vision sensor, GPS precise hover, 3-axis gimbal, 2.7K camera, simplified recording and editing. You put the iPhone right in there. Runs on an app, so you can see it records everything too on an SD card. Okay, ready for opening.
Yeah, let's unboxing. Yay!
Plastic wrap around it. Okay, let's see how it opens.
Not know how to open.
I don't want to rip the box.
First. Yeah, that's it.
No, it's folded over. See? Doesn't come out.
Okay, action. There it is. It's so hard, huh?
Yeah, it's like a piece of tape over here.
There you go.
To verify that it's like never opened before.
Yep.
Open.
It's good.
There we go.
There it is. Slowly.
Here's the drone.
Yeah! Oh my god, so little. Look at that.
Very light. It opens
Yup.
up.
Wow, look like a toy.
I have to read the instructions. But
Yeah.
let's just leave them loose.
Look at that. How about tape?
Tape.
There you go.
There we go.
Wow, so little.
Oh, it flips over. That's what it does.
Yeah, look at that. Ah!
Put your tape here.
Wow. Have to tape in that. From here too. See?
Mm-hmm. There you go. That's what she looks like. You got some tape here too.
Yeah. Or the battery that's there. Right there, the battery.
Yep.
There you go.
And here is the battery.
Yep, there is.
Or is it the camera? It's the
Yeah, the
battery.
battery, the sticker.
Okay, I'll have to look at that. Don't know how to open it. There's the camera in the front.
Yep, there is the camera.
Oh, and more tape.
Of other more tape there. Up here. Yeah.
That's so you can open this.
Yep. Look at that, so cute. Wow, look at the drones.
HD camera. Oh, is that the gimbal?
Yeah. That's a gimbal.
Yeah, it's weird.
Ay, siya ito, no?
Look.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, there she is.
Yep, there is. And there is the battery.
Oh, it just pulls out.
Yep, there is.
Like I said, that's half the weight. You know,
Yep,
it's very light.
what's that? A battery.
How do you charge it?
I don't know how to charge.
Something opens on this. I don't know. I have to look at the instructions.
Yeah. Okay, next.
And the
Here.
controller.
The controller is
There she is.
this is my Christmas present, guys. By Daddy for me.
Well, that's what it looks like.
Yep, this is the controller. What's in this here?
I turned it
You
on.
can open this one.
It's on.
No, it's not on. It's just a red dot.
Oh, it tells you how to do it. There you go.
Yeah, see?
Unfold the antennas. There's the antennas.
Yeah, there you go. There it is. Yeah, but you do that when you're flying. You do that. Because that is the best signal. Like that.
Okay.
And this here, you open here to put your iPhone. See, try my iPhone. It will fit. There is. So big.
Also comes out more.
Slowly. Not on top. Okay guys, this how to put the phone.
I don't know which side you use. I guess maybe it don't matter. It just holds the phone and you bring up an app.
Yeah, like that.
And then I guess this is for controlling it, yeah.
Yeah, have a controller here and in the side.
Well, I feel like my thumbs are controlling it. The phone, that's in the way of the side.
Pick up this person. Eh? This here, you put here. What you call this?
I can't see what you're doing. Why'd you take that out?
For the controller, how you do control that you make.
Snaps in.
No, maybe the
The other way. It snaps in. It screws in.
just screw.
Okay, I got it.
There it is. Screw.
One on this side too.
Yep, there is. Secret. In the secret place. He put.
There you go, control the flight.
See? It's nice. Okay, put back again.
No, we got it. Leave it out.
Okay.
What else we got?
And the next is what's that there?
There's some instructions. Hopefully they're good instructions. Because we're beginners.
Yep.
Flying with control
There is.
to New Zealand.
First time drone in our hands. We never touched before. We just look at in the store.
All kinds of cables and stuff in here.
Yeah.
Boy, a lot of stuff in here. Look at
The
all
wire. The extra blade. What you call this, honey?
this. Yep, extra blades, you're right. Should I open this?
Yeah, what's that?
No.
That's
USB.
USB. There you go. Oh, the screw.
Screwdriver.
Have one screw, and this. Have this one. Have three
What are these for?
for the maybe the connection of the phone and the drone.
Okay.
And this. What's this here? Ah, the extra. Have extra too.
Extra what?
That for remote control.
Oh, because they fall off.
There it is. Yep.
Okay, well, might as well open it.
And have here. Ah, extra blade. Extra blade, guys. Not open because have a small screw here too.
Okay.
Okay.
Like I said, here's the charger. That's everything.
That's it, guys.
That's it. Hold on, we
I'll
got
have
some
here.
pictures. Check.
Yep. And the other.
It's got a little mini manual.
So small.
Mavic Mini. In many languages.
Yeah.
Safety to glance, disclaimer. Flight condition requirements. The aircraft is designed to operate in good to moderate weather conditions to avoid collision, serious injuries, and property damage. Observe the following rules. Do not use the aircraft, they call it an aircraft, in severe weather conditions, such including with wind speeds exceeding 10 miles or 22 miles per hour, snow, rain.
Yeah.
So just some warnings and stuff. Flight restrictions, specifications. From what I understand, you don't have to register this with the FAA.
Yeah. Because it's so small and light.
There's picture instructions again.
Yeah.
Basically, a lot of stuff we already did.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can charge it with a wall charger, but they don't give you the
Yeah.
the adapter. You need an adapter.
But
You can buy it, you know, because we don't want to plug it into the computer
Yeah. And here is.
unless we're downloading stuff to it, the computer.
The remote. Look at the remote. Compare the drones and the phone, honey. This is
This is the
iPhone 7 Plus. Yeah.
Pause it all up.
Yeah. So that we compare.
There's a trick to it. Close for gas, say that's what it was.
Turn.
Okay.
Turn like this.
Yeah. They should have straps for it, the blades. Like those things that were on it before.
There you go. We compare. Compare the drones and the phone.
Yeah, they are next to each other.
Okay, lying down there. Look at that. Wow, it's bigger the iPhone little bit. Here it is. The iPhone 7 Plus. And the drones. Bigger little bit the iPhone. Here it is.
Gotta be careful you don't launch this in the house.
Yep.
We don't have any battery in there now, but there's buttons here,
Have no
buttons here. Oh, see, it's got power.
yeah, have power.
You see it?
Where is the power? Yep. Power. At that. And here you go. And that's it, guys. For unboxing.
This folds up, nice and neat.
Yep, there is. There it is.
That's it.
And that's it, guys, for
Part two.
today, the unboxing.
Part 2 will be coming soon. We'll
I
actually
give you
fly it.
the small footage of what's look like these drones.
When we fly it.
Yeah, when we fly.
Don't scratch your lens.
Okay, guys, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.